Today we're going to go ahead and explain to you the most effective way to open a restaurant. We're going to show you the tips and the tricks and the advices that we have that will save you time, money, and energy. We're Horeca NY, and for the last 5 years, we have opened over 40 different restaurants over New York City, and we're ready to share all our secrets with you. How and where to find a perfect spot is finding that sweet spot that is important. You want it to flow with a lot of people, and affordability has to be in there with the price. And we personally use 3 different websites, but if you don't want to go through that, Horeca NY is happy to help you. Contact us by phone number or our email. Finding the perfect spot for your restaurant in New York City is a bit like cooking. You cook up your favorite recipe with a special ingredient, the right ingredients. This is what makes your restaurant, or what your restaurant needs to be, in a place that's easy for people to see and reach. You also need to know who lives nearby, like if they're young or they're old, and what they like to eat. For that, websites like Property Shark or Showcase, which specialize in New York City commercial real estate, they can give you just a taste of the neighborhood's flavor. And don't forget, other restaurants are important, but you want some, but not too many nearby. Lastly, think about how many people walk by your restaurant. More people walking by means more customers. Well, to design a restaurant of your dreams, you have to imagine it first. Think of the place where you would find yourself relaxed, including a joyful atmosphere. It's the place of your soul, the place where you have ideas that can make someone else's evening truly remembering. But what do you do next? You draw it out. Well, unfortunately, it's not that simple. So if you want to do it yourself and you have some great ideas, finding the designer, contact him, pay him, describe all the pain, the design that you come up with yourself. Or you can hire Horeca NY to do it for you. We have a team of professional designers who can listen to your ideas and transform them into paper without any troubles. So you can start building your dream restaurant right away. How to open all necessary permits. If you're a single owner of a restaurant, that is too. It might be very complicated. It might even seem overwhelming. But to ease that process, save you time and money, you might need a contractor who can open it up and make those connections for you. At Horeca NY, the best choices are made to open your restaurant and get those permits so that you can go ahead and move forward. We have opened so many more permits than there is soccer fields in New York. And the full package of the documents, it usually takes a week. If you get unlucky with your contractor, your whole project can get closed down. And that's a loss of time. How to build your restaurant. So now you rented a beautiful spot. Your restaurant, you designed it, the place of your dreams. It's time to get the construction going. So for this first part, you definitely need a professional contractor who can help you find the best and the most efficient plan to build it. At Horeca NY, it's the best choice there is. We will worry and design and buy the materials, finding the workers, finalizing and clearing up, throwing all the garbage. We can save you from the nightmares. Just trust the professionals. And we're done. So the restaurant is ready to open. So what do we do first? We get a big open sign and we put it out front. Well, that's first. But the second one is through social media. We can help you with that too. We actually use a company called Hype Labs. They're designing specifically for your restaurant, and they get your customers. They go ahead and create, they edit, they post all their pictures on Instagram. And what does that do? Well, for your customers, they'll constantly see all those tasty foods and they'll come running. That's why you can find all that contact information down here. Horeca NY will be happy to give you a free consultation. no matter where your restaurant is placed. We're Horeca NY. Goodbye.